Hello, my name is Chris. Welcome to Learn British English Free on YouTube. In this lesson, I'm going to read a special poem called The Chaos. I've tried it before. You can check the channel for that. It was quite bad. I made many mistakes because this poem is about words which are difficult to pronounce because they are spelt irregularly. So it's about the way that we can spell words in a different way, and we can never be sure what the right pronunciation is. You can read with me using the captions or subtitles at the bottom. I'm going to start reading The Chaos now. Good luck to you and me. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse sounds like corpse, core, horse, and worse. I will keep you, Suzy, busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear, so shall I, oh hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and herd, dies and diet, lord and word. Sword and sward, retain and Britain, mind the latter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plaque and ague, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem, and toe. Hear me say devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and Terpsichore. Typhoid, measles, topsails, isles, Exiles, similes, and reviles. Scholar, vicar, and cigar, solar, mica, war, and far. One, anemone, Balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, wind and mind, scene, Melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet, bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mould like should and would. Viscous, viscount, load and broad. Toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve. Friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous, clamour, and enamour rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, comb, dole and roll, and sum, and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangour. Souls but foul, haunt but aunt, font, front, won't, want, grant, and grant. Shoes goes does, now first say finger, and then singer, ginger, linger. Reel, zeal, mauve, gauze, gouge and gauge, marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like berry. Dust, lost post, and doth cloth loaf, job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but victual. Refer does not rhyme with defer, pfeffer does, and zephyr, heifer. Mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Dull, bull, and George ate late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, heave and heaven. Rachel, ache, moustache, 11. We say hallowed, but allowed. People, leopard, toad, but vowed. Mark the differences, moreover, between mover, cover, clover. Leeches, breeches, wise, precise, chalice, but police and lice. camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label, petal, panel and canal, wait, surprise, plat, promise, pal, worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor, tor but hour and succor, for, gas, alas, and Arkansas, sea, idea, career, area, psalm, Maria, but malaria, youth, south, southern, cleanse and clean, doctrine, turpentine, marine, compare alien with Italian, dandelion and battalion, Sally with ally, yea, ye, I, way and key, say aver, but ever, fever, neither, leisure, skein, deceiver, heron, granary, canary, crevice and device and eerie, face but preface, not a face, phlegm, phlegmatic, ass, glass, base, large but target, gin, give, verging, ought, out, joust and scour, scourging, ear but earn and wear and tear do not rhyme with here but air. 7 is right, but so is even, hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen, monkey, donkey, Turk and jerk, ask, grasp, wasp, and cork and work. Pronunciation, think of psyche, is a paling stout and spiky. Won't it make you lose your wits, writing groats and saying grits? It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, stowed, solace, gunnel. Islington and Isle of Wight, housewife, verdict, and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough? Though, through, plough, cough, or tough? Hiccup has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up. That was The Chaos, a poem written to challenge us with English pronunciation. I did my research. It is 100% correct. If it's not, you can tell me. There is a longer version. I might try to do it in the future. Please subscribe to Learn British English free on YouTube, and you will watch it if I post it in the future. You can watch it, I mean. You don't have to. It's your choice. You can also find us on Learn British English, the British English page on Facebook. There is a website, which is www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. We're on Instagram and on Twitter and Google Plus and Tumblr and many other websites. You can find me everywhere. Please look in YouTube, in the description on YouTube for the links. Everything is free and everyone is welcome, so please come, share and invite your friends. My name is Chris. Thank you for watching. Good luck with the chaos and with the rest of your English studies. See you next time. Goodbye.